Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on enriching customer data. Today, we'll explore how actionable insights using iBARE can transform your customer information. We'll also look at how Class Inc. is leveraging these tools to drive better decisions. Over the next few slides, I'll guide you through the key concepts, benefits, and practical applications. So, let's dive into how data enrichment can truly empower your business. Let's dive into the fundamentals of customer data enrichment. In this section, we'll explore the core concepts that make data enrichment so powerful. First, we'll look at iBARE enrichment capabilities, which are designed to enhance your existing customer data with accurate and relevant information. Then, we'll cover implementation best practices. These are the key strategies to ensure a smooth and successful deployment. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial as we work towards leveraging customer data more effectively to drive better business decisions and personalized experiences. Let's dive into the fundamentals of customer data enrichment. Essentially, this is about enhancing our existing customer data with additional information to gain a deeper understanding of who our customers are. By enriching data, we can uncover insights that weren't visible before, like preferences, behaviors, or demographic details. This process helps us create more personalized and targeted marketing strategies, ultimately leading to better customer experiences. It's a crucial part of the overall data strategy because it transforms raw data into meaningful insights. When we enrich our data effectively, we're better equipped to meet customer needs and stay ahead in a competitive landscape. So, understanding these fundamentals is key to leveraging customer data for growth and engagement. Let's talk about why enriching customer data is so crucial. First, incomplete data really limits how effectively we can use it. Raw customer information often misses key insights that are essential for optimizing our marketing, sales, and service efforts. Without those insights, we're flying blind in many ways. That's where data enrichment comes in. By adding valuable details to our existing data, we can significantly improve how we segment customers, personalize our interactions, and even make more accurate predictions about future behaviors. These enhancements help us across various business functions, making our strategies more targeted and effective. Enriched profiles give us a clearer, more comprehensive understanding of each customer. This allows us to make smarter decisions, whether that's crafting more relevant campaigns or choosing the best strategic moves based on solid insights. And let's not forget the competitive edge. Companies that invest in enriching their customer data tend to outperform their rivals. They can offer more relevant products and experiences that truly resonate, giving them a strong advantage in today's fast-paced marketplace. So overall, data enrichment isn't just about filling in gaps. It's about transforming raw data into a powerful tool that fuels smarter decisions and helps us stand out from the competition. When we look at raw data, one of the main issues we face is incomplete customer profiles. Often, the data we collect simply doesn't capture all the critical information needed to fully understand our customers' behaviors and preferences. This creates blind spots that make it harder to tailor our strategies effectively. Additionally, limited data hampers our marketing efforts. Without enough detailed information, personalized campaigns become difficult to execute, which means lower engagement rates and fewer opportunities to convert prospects into loyal customers across various channels. Another challenge is poor predictive capability. When our data isn't enriched or comprehensive, it's tough to accurately forecast what our customers will need next. This can cause us to miss out on valuable upselling opportunities and strategies to boost customer retention. Finally, basic or incomplete data makes segmentation a real challenge. Instead of creating nuanced, targeted groups that speak directly to specific audience segments, we end up with broad, generic categories. That means our messaging doesn't resonate as well, reducing the overall effectiveness of our campaigns. All these limitations highlight why improving data quality is so crucial for making smarter, more informed decisions in our marketing efforts, and ultimately, driving better results. Let's talk about how we've improved segmentation and personalization to better serve our customers. First, enhanced customer targeting allows us to identify distinct customer groups by leveraging enriched demographic and behavioral data. This means we can craft much more precise marketing campaigns that truly resonate. Next, personalized experiences are key. By using detailed preference data, we can deliver tailored content and recommendations that boost engagement and conversion rates. It's all about making each interaction feel relevant to the individual. Then, we have dynamic segmentation, which means our customer segments are not static. They evolve as we gather new data, enabling us to continuously optimize our marketing strategies in real time. Finally, actionable insights turn raw data into meaningful customer intelligence. This helps us craft personalized communications across all touchpoints, ensuring that every interaction is informed, relevant, and impactful. Altogether, these advancements enable us to connect more deeply with our customers and drive better results across our marketing efforts. Let's explore how smarter decision-making capabilities can transform our approach. With enhanced customer insights, we can uncover deeper patterns in customer behavior, which helps us make more informed strategic decisions across marketing and sales. This means not just reacting to data, but proactively shaping our strategies. Predictive analytics is a key part of this shift. By leveraging AI-powered forecasting, we can anticipate what our customers need before they even ask, identify emerging trends, and address potential issues early on. This proactive approach keeps us ahead of the curve. Personalized strategies are also crucial. When we tailor our approaches based on comprehensive customer profiles, we see higher engagement rates and stronger relationships. It's about making each customer feel understood and valued. Finally, multi-channel optimization ensures we're using our resources wisely across all platforms. The data-driven insights we gain help us allocate efforts where they'll have the most impact, maximizing our reach and conversions. Overall, these capabilities align perfectly with our goal of making smarter, more strategic decisions that drive growth and deepen customer loyalty. Let's take a closer look at iBARE's enrichment capabilities. What makes this feature so powerful is its ability to enhance our data quality and relevance. By focusing on enriching our datasets, we can add valuable context and insights that weren't originally there. This means better decision-making and more accurate results. Enrichment allows us to integrate various data sources seamlessly, making our analyses more comprehensive. It's a key part of the overall theme of leveraging smarter technology to improve outcomes. Essentially, with iBARE's enrichment features, we're not just working with raw data, we're transforming it into a more meaningful and actionable resource. Now, let's look at how automated profile completion works. First, it fills in missing customer information automatically. iBARE identifies gaps in customer profiles and uses trusted external sources to complete these details seamlessly. This means we don't have to do it manually, saving time and improving accuracy. Next, standardizing data formats is crucial. It converts different types of data inputs into consistent formats, which makes integration with existing systems smooth and reliable. This consistency is vital for maintaining clean, usable data across all platforms. We also ensure real-time updates. Customer information is continuously refreshed, which keeps profiles current and actionable. This is especially important for targeted marketing efforts, where up-to-date data can make a real difference in engagement. And of course, privacy compliance remains a key focus. All data enrichment activities are conducted within regulatory frameworks, balancing the need for comprehensive profiles with the importance of protecting customer privacy. Altogether, this automated approach helps us build richer, more accurate customer profiles while respecting privacy and maintaining compliance. It's a powerful way to enhance our marketing capabilities and better serve our customers. Now, let's talk about how we use external data cross-referencing to enhance our customer profiles. First, we rely on trusted external sources, meaning reliable third-party data that helps us automatically fill in any gaps. This ensures our profiles are as complete as possible without manual intervention. Next, we have a standardization process in place. When new information comes in, we make sure it's formatted consistently, so it integrates smoothly with the existing data we already have. This consistency is key to maintaining data quality and usability. Then, we cross-reference this information to enrich profiles further. This means adding behavioral data, insights into social engagement, and customer preferences. All of this helps us get a fuller picture of each customer, enabling more personalized and effective interactions. Finally, it's important to highlight that all of this external data enrichment is done with strict adherence to privacy regulations. We're committed to maximizing profile completeness while respecting customer privacy and compliance requirements. This approach aligns with our overall goal of delivering value-driven, responsible customer insights. Now, let's explore how behavioral and preference tagging work together to enhance our marketing efforts. First, we identify customer behaviors by tracking purchase patterns, website navigation, and engagement metrics. This helps us understand what actions customers are taking and what interests them most. Next, we categorize or tag user preferences by analyzing their product interests, communication preferences, and content engagement. This allows us to tailor our marketing messages more precisely. Our system, iBARE, leverages AI to automate this process. It assigns relevant tags automatically by detecting patterns across customer interactions, saving us time and ensuring accuracy. Finally, we translate all this behavioral data into actionable segments. These segments enable us to create personalized campaigns, which ultimately lead to higher conversion rates and stronger customer relationships. By integrating these steps, we're not just collecting data, we're transforming it into targeted strategies that resonate with each customer. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the predictive scoring features that can really enhance our customer management. First up is churn prediction. This tool helps us identify which customers might be at risk of leaving, based on their behavior patterns and engagement metrics. By catching these signals early, we can proactively intervene to retain valuable customers. Next is engagement scoring. This measures how actively customers are interacting with us across different channels. It allows us to prioritize those relationships that have the highest potential, so we can focus our efforts where they matter most. Then we have lifetime value calculation. This feature forecasts the long-term revenue potential from each customer. Understanding this helps us make smarter decisions about where to invest our resources for retention and growth. Finally, seamless CRM integration ties everything together. It connects these predictive insights directly into our existing systems, enriching customer profiles with valuable data. Altogether, these features support our broader goal of building stronger, more personalized relationships with our customers, ultimately driving growth and loyalty across the board. Now let's talk about CRM integration. First, we have seamless CRM connection. iBARE integrates directly with your existing CRM systems, which means it can enhance your customer profiles without disrupting your current workflows. This makes the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Next, we look at enhanced analytics. By combining CRM data with enriched insights, we gain a much deeper understanding of customer behavior and preferences. This allows you to tailor your strategies more effectively and build stronger customer relationships. Then there's data synchronization. This feature automatically updates all the enriched information across different platforms, ensuring that your customer data remains consistent and accurate throughout your organization. No more manual updates or discrepancies. Finally, we have actionable insights. The system transforms the integrated data into practical recommendations that your sales, marketing, and customer service teams can directly apply. It's about turning data into real, tangible actions that drive results. Overall, this integration is about creating a unified, smarter approach to managing customer relationships. making your team more effective and your customer experiences more personalized. Let's talk about implementation best practices. When we're applying new strategies or systems, it's crucial to follow certain key points. First, thorough planning is essential. Make sure you understand every aspect before jumping in. Communicate clearly with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page. Flexibility is also important. Be ready to adapt as challenges come up. Consistent monitoring and feedback loops help keep the implementation on track, allowing for adjustments along the way. Remember, successful implementation isn't just about the technical side. It's about engaging people and fostering a culture that embraces change. Connecting these practices to our overall theme, it's clear that thoughtful, strategic execution is what turns plans into real results. When it comes to data privacy compliance, it's essential that we stay within the bounds of regulations like GDPR and CCPA. This means that during any data enrichment process, we need to be very mindful of how we collect and enhance customer information, making sure it aligns with these legal standards. Consent management is a crucial part of this. We must keep clear, detailed records of what permissions our customers have given us regarding their data. This helps us stay transparent and accountable for how we use and enrich their information. Data security is equally important. Implementing strong encryption and access controls ensures that sensitive customer data is protected at all times during the enrichment process. No one should have unauthorized access, and data should always be secured against potential breaches. Lastly, transparency practices are key to building trust. We should openly communicate with our customers about how their data is being enhanced and used for business purposes. When customers understand what's happening with their data, they're more likely to feel confident and comfortable with our practices. All of these steps, compliance, consent, security, and transparency, are interconnected and fundamental to responsible data management in today's digital landscape. Let's talk about how to prioritize high-value fields in our data collection. First, focus on fields that have a real business impact. These are the ones that directly influence revenue, customer retention, and the effectiveness of our marketing efforts. By zeroing in on these, we can make smarter decisions and see clearer results. Next, remember that quality is more important than quantity. It's better to have accurate, relevant data in key fields rather than collecting tons of information that might never be used. Precision here ensures we're leveraging data that truly matters. Another important aspect is customer journey mapping. We want to enrich our data points to better understand critical touchpoints and decision factors along the customer's path. This helps us tailor our strategies and improve the overall experience. Finally, our field selection should be ROI-driven. Choose the data points that offer measurable returns, whether it's through better targeting, personalized messaging, or predictive analytics. Focusing on these high-impact fields ensures that every piece of data we gather works toward driving business growth. Now, let's talk about our regular validation process, which is crucial for maintaining data accuracy. It's important that we schedule consistent checks to make sure our enriched customer data remains current and reliable. This means setting up recurring validation activities, whether monthly or quarterly, depending on our business needs and how often customers interact with us. To keep our data trustworthy, we combine automated verification tools with manual spot checks. Automation helps us quickly identify inconsistencies, while manual reviews allow us to catch nuances that machines might miss. This balanced approach ensures our data stays accurate and useful. Additionally, we need to regularly audit our enriched data against privacy regulations. This step is vital not just for compliance, but also to maintain the trust of our customers. By integrating these validation and compliance checks into our routine, we reinforce the integrity of our data and uphold our commitments to privacy and quality. Now, let's explore how combining AI with human review can truly enhance our data processes. AI automation is incredibly powerful, but it's essential to have human oversight to ensure the best results. Human experts play a critical role in validating the data that AI enriches, catching any errors and ensuring accuracy. This verification step helps maintain high-quality standards and prevents mistakes from slipping through. Additionally, humans bring a level of contextual understanding that AI might miss, especially when it comes to cultural or situational nuances. This deeper interpretation is vital for truly meaningful insights. And of course, ethical considerations are paramount. Human review ensures that our data enrichment complies with privacy regulations and ethical standards, going beyond what automated systems can guarantee. Overall, this partnership between AI and humans is about leveraging the strengths of both, automation for efficiency and human judgment for accuracy and ethics, to achieve the most reliable and responsible outcomes. This approach aligns perfectly with our goal of delivering trustworthy, high-quality data insights. Let's walk through the hands-on enrichment workflow. First, we start by importing the customer dataset. This means uploading your existing customer data into the iBARE platform so it can be processed and enriched effectively. Once the data is in, we run the enrichment workflow, which is an automated process designed to identify any missing information and fill in those gaps. This step ensures your data is more complete and accurate. Next, we move on to tagging customer interests. Here, we analyze patterns and interactions to apply behavioral and preference tags, helping you better understand your customers' motivations. Finally, we generate predictive scores. These scores create segmentation metrics that can forecast future behaviors, enabling more targeted and personalized marketing efforts. This workflow is all about transforming raw data into actionable insights, reinforcing how data enrichment enhances your customer engagement strategies. Thanks. I really appreciate your time and attention today. I hope you found the presentation insightful and helpful. Remember, the key points we've discussed highlight the importance of continuous learning and innovation in our field. Connecting these ideas to the overall theme, I encourage you all to take what you've learned and apply it actively in your work. Together, we can achieve great results by staying curious and adaptable. Thanks again for being here and for your engagement.